So today's lesson is 2.6, the coordinate plane. So definition of coordinate plane, formed by two number lines in a plane that intersect at a right angle. The point of the intersection is 0. So if you look here, this is a coordinate plane, except right here, the very center where they meet is 0. And then this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This would be -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. And then up above, this would be positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And going down would be negative. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Okay, an axis is two number lines. Our x-axis is horizontal, so this is your x-axis. And your y-axis is your vertical, so this is your y-axis. Quadrants. Coordinate plane is divided into 4 quadrants. Okay, so quadrants is you start on the top right. This would be your quadrant 1. It's always written in Roman numeral. Quadrant 1. You go counterclockwise. This would be quadrant 2. This is quadrant 3. And this is quadrant 4. And you'll notice that it is written in Roman numeral. So you need to make sure that you write it in Roman numeral. Origin is the middle where the axes intersect, or origin is where the 0 is. So this very center right here is your origin. And then coordinate pair, you always write it as x, y. X comes first, y is second. Okay, so x going across, you always read the numbers across first and then up and down. Okay, steps for graphing a coordinate pair. You have to walk to the elevator before you can go up or down. So you have to walk across to whatever floor you want to the elevator, and then to go up and down the floors of the building, you have to, is the y-axis. So here, I'm going to number it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. And this will be -1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, in this very center right here is your 0, or your origin. It says graph and name the quadrant. So here, M is -3. Remember, you have to walk. So you're going to walk to -3 and go up to 2. You make a dot, and you label it M. Okay, let's try another one. A. You walk to 0 and go down -4, and you have A. Go ahead and do R-I-E-N, and when you're ready, push play. So R, you walk to 2 and go down -3, make your dot, and this is your R. I, walk to -1, and you don't go up or down because it's 0, so it would be right here on the x-axis, and this is your I. E would be walk to 5, go up 2, and this is your E. And the last one is N. You walk to -4, walk down to -1, and this is your N. Okay, so that's how you graph and name the name the quadrant. So now, quadrant M is in quadrant 2. This E is in quadrant 1. Okay, so M is in quadrant 2. A is 0, -4 is no quadrant because it is on the line. It's on 0 quadrant. 2, -3 is in quadrant 4. Make sure it's in Roman numeral. I, remember it's on the x-axis, so it's no quadrant. 5 is 5 and 2. E would be quadrant 1. And N is in quadrant 3.